Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable mobile hotspot in Windows, then please watch this video. Now there are two cases here. One thing is to use your system as a hotspot for other computers, and the other one is to connect your system to a mobile hotspot. So to connect your system to the mobile hotspot, simply click on this option here, the system tray. Go to Wi-Fi and connect to the mobile hotspot like any other Wi-Fi. It's that easy. Okay, I'll connect to this one and I'll just click on connect and enter the password. But to use my system as a mobile hotspot, I will right click on the start button, select settings, go to network and internet, and then select mobile hotspot, turn it on, and then I can share the ID, password, and everything with someone else. So this is what I can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.